Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is PAF order of NC212i aircraft. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. The Philippine Department of National Defense signed a contract with PT Dirgantara Indonesia, PTDI, in April 2023 for the supply of 6 NC212i Aviocars as well as spare components to the Philippine Air Force. Unfortunately, no delivery dates have been specified. In addition to this order, PTDI was awarded a maintenance contract for the PAF's 2 NC212i Aviocars, which have been in service since 2018. The 223rd Airlift Squadron Nomads operates serials 2119C/N-N110 and 2120C/N-N111 at Cebu's Mactan-Benito Ebuen Airbase. At the time of this video, it is unknown whether the freshly ordered aircraft will also join this unit. The PTDI NC212i is the most recent evolution of what began as the CASA C212 in 1971. PTDI's predecessor IPTN got the rights to make the C212 as the NC212-100 in 1976, and PTDI is the sole manufacturer of the type as of 2008. The Model -400 was discontinued in 2014, and the NC212i is the most recent and only model still in production. NC212i is a developed version of the C212-400 series that delivers great performance and versatility in the most diverse environments to operate in extremely demanding missions. We hope you found this video informative, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.